Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna build a turret, I think this is. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. So you're gonna start off with this, and this, and pause the video if you need to because I don't care about waiting. And then we're gonna have motor 2. I want 3 and 500. You can change that if you want to. I want it placed like this, and then you're gonna want it placed like this, and then you're gonna want you go to half blocks, go boop, and then hold on. Yes, yeah, that's correct. Okay. And then you want boop, boop, go boop, boop, lag, boop, 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 and then you want to go bop, lag, bop, and then you want to go bop, 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 bop. Sorry for the bopping noises. And then you want bop, 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 bop. And then half beams, bop, bop, and then half blocks like so. Then we want to place another one, bop, bop, bop. And then you can go like bop, 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 bop. And then you want guns. 7 guns, so no, 8 guns, starting from 1, 2, 3, and 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, and by the way, you can just 77, 88, 77 paint bucket it. Then you go bop, 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 bop. No, you don't want these. Sorry. I'm looking. And then you want to go to wedge 2, round wedge out, bop, bop, bop. Fill this in with blocks, not right there. And then you want half wedge down. No, that's not half wedge down. Bop. And then, sorry, and then you want, sorry for the lag also, my game is just really laggy. School laptop. Then you want bop, bop. And then bop. And then, one moment. And then you want a block, or you could use a half block here too. I don't really think it matters. Does it? I don't think so. Wait a minute. What did I do over here? Oh, I think I did. Like that. I think. If that's wrong, you know what? No, not that. And then the main pilot seat goes right here. So I'm gonna quickly take this out. Boop. Boop. And then for trapdoors, you want the handle facing that way so it opens with it being parallel to this. You can set whatever control you want, and then 0 for lock, because you don't need to lock it. Oh, shoot. Oh, wait. You get rid of this. And then, shoot, no, that's the wrong way. And then you want blocks here, here, and here. And then you want your main pilot seat. And then your pilot seat or your normal seat. And you paint bucket it.